months, I could do 126 steps. I had finished the intermediate course, and that helped immensely. It helped me learn other exercises that I could do besides counting seconds or counting steps, and getting more CO2 into different parts of my body. And it helped us integrate the practice in our daily life, and I could share what I learned in the intermediate class with my girls. So they were able to do things like belly pumps and arm rolls and things like that. So that helped them as well. They were able to do over 100 steps.
It's very good that you went on to do the intermediate, because then you deepen your understanding. It's how to increase your carbon dioxide level and know when you've lost it. How to increase your carbon dioxide and know when you've lost it, and know that you have to do something. You know, it's an art. And when you feel bad, it's the time when you don't want to practice.
I can see that and tell all that now, yeah.
And that's the time you need to practice, when you feel bad.